Welcome back to my channel, guys. Next in food, I am your diva chef Simone Walker Barrett. Today I'm showing you how to make a beloved treat in Jamaica. It's savory, it's crunchy, it's delicious. It's called saltfish fritters, aka flitters. This is something that is made with flour, seasoning, and of course saltfish. So I'm very pleased to show you how that is done. For the saltfish fritter, we're going to be needing some flour. Flour is the base of the fritter. So in this container, I have some flour, and then we're going to add lots and lots of savory seasoning. This is chopped scallions. Goes in. Scotch bonnet, pepper, and thyme. Chopped bell peppers and a few onions, just a small onion. And this is optional, but this is chopped tomatoes. I love the taste of the tomatoes in it. That goes in. And then finally, I have a cup of saltfish. The saltfish has been soaked and flaked, and I added half cup of water to it. The water is to mix everything into a dough, so I just put them into one container. So saltfish goes in. And then everything gets combined. If you want the fritter to be crisp on the outside, it's best to have a thin batter. This batter is a little bit thick, so I'm going to be adding some more water because I want the fritter to be crisp on the outside. Now, if you overmix the fritter batter, it can cause the fritter to be a little bit tough, but this is what the consistency should look like. When you bite into a fritter, you should have the flavor of the saltfish, the flavor of the seasoning, and lastly, I'm going to be adding some salt because we soaked the saltfish before, so you need to season up everything with some salt and black pepper. Okay, this is ready for the oil. All right, guys, I have a pot with oil here that has been heated up to about 375, and you're going to just gently drop the fritter batter in as big as you like. So I'm portioning it with just a regular spoon. Fill the spoon up and you add them to the oil and just shape them. Do not crowd the frying pan. These are going to fry about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. We're looking for a golden brown exterior. Okay, so do not walk away now. You need to stand up and make sure that you are monitoring what you're frying. You want to try and remember which one went in first, and you're going to try and turn that one. So this was my first one. It's not quite ready yet. These are the fritters is ready. These are ready to come out. This is what the saltfish fritter looks like, ladies and gentlemen. It is crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. See that? You can see all the seasoning that we added to it and the saltfish. Just gonna taste it. Saltfish must be in every single bite of the saltfish fritter. This is something that you can have as a snack. You can have it as a breakfast item. You can serve it as an hors d'oeuvre. If you're doing it as an hors d'oeuvre item, you just need to make it smaller so it becomes a one biter. I thank you so much for watching, and I do hope you learned something from how to make Jamaican saltfish fritter. Remember to subscribe if you have not yet done so. Like, comment, and share. I'm your Diva Chef, Simone Walker Barrett. I'll see you next time with another simple Jamaican comfort food, or who knows what I'll make next. Take care.